Fresnillo's CEO, Jaime Lomelin Guillen, is at the London Stock Exchange. Thank you so much for joining us. In terms of what we're seeing, we heard that the price of silver was at a 30-year high. What's driving that? Demand, or is it investors playing the market?
Well, I think it's both investors' demand as well as industrial demand. This is the benefit of silver over gold, that we have this dual situation. It's a vehicle for investment as well as industrial product.
So what kind of price lever do you see for silver over the next 12 months?
Well, it's very difficult for us to forecast the price of silver. What we're looking is more of the margins. And costs are going up. However, we're doing our best in order to control our costs.
Do you have any plans of hedging silver at these kind of prices?
No, our investors do not want us to hedge. They want to take the risk.
Is there a level that you would consider hedging? Have they told you that at a certain level?
No, we are not considering. We have not hedged in the past, and we're not considering to hedge.
Now, there have also been speculation that actually Carlos Slim may be looking to acquire Fresnillo. Have you had any approaches or anything like that?
Both our company and their company have denied. There is no discussion at all, and we have not the intention to sell our company.
Mr. Guillen, what is your prospect for the world economy? 6 months ago, the situation still seemed very weak. It was very difficult to see exactly where we were going. Do you have any hope now that actually the situation is much more clear, despite all the unrest in the Middle East?
We don't think that this is clear. We still think that there is a tremendous unrest of the world economy, especially what is happening in North Africa countries.
Does that mean that we could see an oil crisis because of what's happening in the Middle East and North Africa?
Yes, certainly. We are foreseeing that there is going to be still unrest in the oil economy.
And so what does that mean for your company? Does it mean that it's going to be much more difficult to have very large sums of profit? Because if we have the oil price too high, then we may see the world economy going back to a recession.
Well, certainly, but precious metals are a store of value, and this is the benefit of the other commodities that we're expecting that as the inflation comes in and the world unrest, the more people are going to invest in gold and silver.
But you're very prudent for the future overall about the world economy.
Yes, we're prudent. Yes, there is no doubt that it is not very clear what's going to happen.
Mr. Guillen, thank you so much for joining us today.